Have you ever questioned what distinguishes certain professionals from the rest, even when they have comparable skills and qualifications? What makes them unique? The magic ingredient, my dear friends, is encapsulated in a single term: discipline. An attribute that is as effortless to comprehend as it is profound in its implications. It is the unseen force steering the journey of successful professionals, molding their day-to-day routines, decisions, and ultimately, their professional trajectories. In this session, we'll delve deep into the pivotal role discipline serves in the professional realm. We'll investigate how it channels time management, ensuring every moment is used with a purpose. We'll examine how discipline thrusts consistency in performance, thus crafting a history of excellence. We'll converse about how it assists in meeting goals, bringing aspirations into the of reality. We'll scrutinize how discipline encourages adaptability, an essential attribute in the dynamic professional of today. We'll also consider its effect on professional growth, stress management, and leadership and influence. If this sparks your curiosity and you wish to discover how discipline acts as a linchpin in professional success, stay connected. Time is the most valuable asset we have, yet it's often the most mismanaged. In the sphere of professional life, time management is key. It's not simply completing tasks or hitting deadlines, but it's a discipline that involves setting clear goals, prioritizing tasks, and utilizing resources effectively. It's about maximizing the 24 hours we have to achieve more, relieve stress, and boost career success. Discipline is the of time management. It forms the base for effective time management strategies. It signifies the dedication to begin work punctually, the determination to steer clear of procrastination, and the resilience to remain focused amidst distractions. With discipline, you're more likely to adhere to your schedule, reach your deadlines, and a balanced lifestyle. Superior time management, a result of discipline, leads to improved productivity. When you manage your time well, you're able to achieve more in less time. It's not about rushing tasks, but it's about working smarter. It's about knowing when to delegate, when to refuse, and when to rest. Efficiency, another outcome of disciplined time management, is about attaining maximum productivity with minimal wasted effort. It's about eliminating unproductive activities, streamlining processes, and optimizing resources. With discipline, you're more likely to spot inefficiencies and make necessary modifications, leading to enhanced outcomes with less waste. In the scheme, disciplined time management can be your passport to professional success. It allows you to stay on top of your tasks, dodge unnecessary stress, and create more growth opportunities. It's not just about accomplishing tasks, but about doing the right tasks at the right time. Remember, time wasted is opportunity wasted. Harness the power of discipline in your professional life. Manage your time effectively and watch as success becomes attainable. Consistency is the key to mastery. It's a simple statement, yet it holds profound truth. When we talk about consistency in performance, we're really talking about discipline. The discipline to show up every day and give your best, the discipline to push through when things get tough, and the discipline to stay committed to your goals, even when progress seems slow. Consistency isn't about being perfect. It's about striving for steady progress, day in and day out. It's about the small, incremental improvements that accumulate over time, leading to substantial growth in your career. It's the relentless pursuit of excellence, the commitment to never settling for mediocrity. A consistent level of performance is what allows you to build trust, establish credibility, and demonstrate your commitment to your role and your organization. It's what sets you apart and positions you for opportunities for advancement and success. Consistency driven by discipline is what separates the best from the rest. Goals are dreams with deadlines. Think about that for a moment. In the professional sphere, setting goals is the compass that guides us towards success. But what transforms these abstract objectives into tangible results? The The answer is discipline. Discipline is the fuel that powers the engine of achievement. It is the key that unlocks the door to our professional aspirations. Discipline is what takes a dream, a goal, and turns it into a reality. It is the consistent effort, the daily grind, the unwavering commitment that brings our professional goals to fruition. Imagine a mountain climber. Their goal is the summit, but the journey is steep, tough, and fraught with obstacles. Yet it is their discipline, their commitment to climb a little every day, to weather the storms, to push through the pain, that eventually sees them standing on top of the world. In professional life too, the journey towards our goals can be similarly challenging. Discipline helps in charting the course, in breaking down our goals into manageable tasks, and in keeping us on track. It instills a sense of accountability, propelling us to stick to our plans, to meet our deadlines, to deliver quality work consistently. Without discipline, goals remain dreams, floating in the realm of what could be. Discipline, therefore, acts as the silent, steady force that pushes us from what could be to what is. It is the tool that transforms our professional dreams into realities. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Change is the only constant, a truth we've all heard and experienced. In the fast-paced, ever-evolving world of business, this couldn't be more accurate. And what is the secret weapon that allows professionals to navigate these constant changes? You guessed it, discipline. Discipline isn't just about routine and structure. It's also about adaptability. It's about having the mental fortitude to embrace change rather than resisting it. It's about seeing change not as a disruption, but as an opportunity for growth and innovation. And this is where discipline truly shines. Disciplined professionals are like well-oiled machines. They've cultivated habits and routines that allow them to operate efficiently and effectively. But more importantly, they've developed a mindset that is open to change. They understand that the business landscape is in a state of constant flux, and they're ready to adapt their strategies and approaches accordingly. This adaptability doesn't happen overnight. It's a skill honed over time through consistent effort and discipline. It requires a clear understanding of one's goals and the ability to reassess and reorient oneself in the face of change. It's about being agile, resilient, and proactive. It's about anticipating change and having the discipline to prepare for it. So remember, discipline is not rigid or restrictive. On the contrary, it gives you the flexibility to adapt. It equips you with the tools and mindset necessary to navigate the turbulent waters of change, ensuring you remain not just afloat, but ahead of the curve. And in a world where change is the only constant, discipline gives you the flexibility to adapt and overcome. Growth is a never-ending process. This thought holds true especially in the realm of our careers. In the professional sphere, stagnation becomes a liability. To sidestep this, discipline is crucial, forming the backbone of professional growth. Discipline extends beyond compliance to rules or a rigid routine. It embraces a mindset conducive to continuous learning and enhancement of skills. It's about persisting, even when the path seems steep. It's about acknowledging that professional growth is a marathon, not a sprint. Now consider discipline as your personal GPS, you along your professional journey. It assists in setting achievable goals and ensuring you're on track to attain them. It prompts you to acquire new skills and knowledge, step beyond your comfort zone, and confront the unknown. Discipline brings about a sense of accountability, a realization that your professional advancement is in your hands. It fosters self-drive, making you the captain of your career ship. Moreover, discipline helps develop resilience, enabling you to recover from setbacks and propel forward. Essentially, discipline in professional growth is about being in a constant state of metamorphosis, of continual self-improvement. It's about acknowledging that there's always space for growth and striving to better yourself each day. Discipline is the ladder on which all virtues mount. It's the stepping stone to success, the catalyst to continuous professional progress. Remember, when discipline becomes a part of you, success becomes a part of your journey. Stress is a part of life, but it doesn't have to control your life. Now, let's talk about stress management. In a fast-paced professional world, stress is inevitable. However, discipline can be a powerful tool in your stress management arsenal. It's not about eliminating stress, but learning how to manage it effectively. Imagine discipline as the rudder of a ship, guiding you through the stormy seas of stress. A disciplined routine provides a sense of control and predictability amidst the chaos, helping you navigate through stressful situations with a calm and composed mind. Moreover, discipline fosters healthy habits, both physically and mentally. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, adequate sleep. These are all aspects of a disciplined lifestyle that contribute to better stress management. Physical health and mental well-being are two sides of the same coin, and discipline is the edge that balances the two. On the mental side, discipline enables you to prioritize tasks, set boundaries, and maintain a work-life balance, all of which can alleviate work-related stress. It helps you to focus on one task at a time, preventing the overwhelming feeling that comes with multitasking. Remember, stress is not always negative. It can act as a motivator, pushing you to perform better. But it's discipline that helps you harness this stress positively, preventing it from spiraling out of control. With discipline, you control stress. Without it, stress controls you. So, let's take the reins of our lives into our hands and steer away from the tumultuous waves of stress. Leadership is not about being in charge. It's about taking care of those in your charge. True leadership and discipline are intertwined. A disciplined leader serves as a compass, steering the team through professional challenges. These leaders, via their consistent behavior and commitment, motivate their teams to tap into their fullest potential. Discipline in leadership comes to light in different ways. It involves setting a clear vision and aligning the collective efforts of the team to fulfill that vision. It entails making challenging decisions even when it's uncomfortable. It's about upholding integrity and adhering to personal values, even when no one else is watching. Disciplined leaders grasp the significance of time management, goal setting, and stable performance. They imbue these values into their teams, shaping a culture of discipline and peak performance. Their influence isn't limited to their immediate teams, but resounds throughout the organization, encouraging others to emulate these values. Besides, disciplined leaders are flexible. They accept change with grace, constantly learning and adapting, setting the stage for constant professional growth. Their flexibility keeps them ahead of the curve, allowing them to guide their teams through the ever-evolving professional landscape. They comprehend the value of stress management and foster resilience, not only in themselves, but in their teams as well. They promote a balanced work-life ratio and a healthy work environment, enhancing the overall well-being of their team members. They also understand the necessity of accountability and responsibility for their actions and the results. They teach their teams the importance of accountability through their actions. Discipline in leadership is not just about following rules, it's about leading by example. Disciplined leaders, through their conduct, raise the benchmark, inspiring their teams to aim for brilliance. They inspire not merely through their words, but also through their actions, causing a ripple effect of positive transformation throughout the organization. And my friends, is the power of disciplined leadership. A discipline is the refining fire by which talent becomes ability. This statement has been the underlying theme of our discussion today. We've traversed the landscape of professional life, highlighting the pivotal role of discipline in areas such as time management, consistency in performance, and goal achievement. We've seen how discipline facilitates adaptability, a crucial trait in our ever-evolving work environment. It's the driving force behind professional development, propelling us to learn, grow, and improve. Discipline also plays an integral part in stress management, teaching us to maintain a balanced approach to our professional challenges. Moreover, in the realm of leadership and influence, discipline is the beacon that guides others, setting a precedent for standards and expectations. It's not just about self-improvement, it's about inspiring and influencing others to reach their potential as well. In conclusion, discipline is more than a personal virtue, it's a professional necessity. Remember, discipline is the key to unlock your potential and achieve success in your professional life.